Are you someone who constantly wakes up late and goes to sleep late? Spend all your day playing video games, and whenever you go to sleep, you can't. You have sleep insomnia. Let me ask you a question first. Do you sleep better when you're tired, when you're drained from all your energy? Or do you sleep better when you're energized and you still have energy left in the bank? Of course, it's the first option. Because when you don't have any energy left, your body wants to rest. It wants to sleep. So that is the thing I'm going to tell you. To fix your sleep, to fix your sleep insomnia, be productive as fuck. Spend all your day working and working and working and working and working. Tire yourself out. Yesterday, I worked about 10 hours. 10 fucking hours. And I was super tired. And I went to sleep at 11 and instantly I went to sleep. So it actually works. So, how do you tire yourself? Well, I want you to find out something that you really want to accomplish, which is going to be your main goal. Break that main goal down into smaller goals and start achieving them in a weekly, daily, or monthly basis. Or you can go on to monk mode, which is what I recommend. It's one of the best ways to be productive and actually see results in your life. So, yeah, I'd really recommend you to go on monk mode because I'm on one currently right now, and it's actually really helping with my sleep and with my results online. So yeah, I want you to go on monk mode. I want you to tire yourself. Don't leave any energy in the tank at the end of the day, and you will have the best sleep of the night. Now, it is actually also really important that you go to sleep at the same time every day and you wake up at the same time every day. So your body knows when to sleep and when to wake up. So it will automatically go to sleep whenever that time comes. For me, it is 11. For you, it may be something like 10. So be consistent with your sleeping time. I want you to set an alarm for when you have to go to sleep. Preferably 15 minutes before you go to sleep because you have time to change or shower, whatever. So, yeah, the things that I told you about in this video were tiring yourself through monk mode so you can have better sleep, and setting a consistent sleeping time and waking up time. Those things are gonna fix your insomnia. Don't go to the fucking doctor and pop fucking pills. It's all within you. Solve the source of the problem, not the things that branch out from it. Remember, action over words.